Now we grind the wheat into flour, right?
Not yet. It's time to thresh the wheat.
Huh? Thresh the wheat?
Yep. Since we only need the grain up top to make the flour, it's time to knock them off the stalk. That's threshing.
Oh, look, a blanket. Is that to snuggle the wheat?
Oh, no. The blanket catches the wheat while I thresh it with my wheat knocker offer. It's my homemade threshing. Here,
Wheat knocker offer.
toss your wheat onto the blanket, and I'll show you how it works. Stand back, everyone. That should do it. Have a look-see.
Wow!
A faster way.
Grain! Yay! Now we can grind it to make flour!
Whoa there, Dumpling. We've knocked the grain off the stalk, but now
Thomas.
we have to remove the chaff.
Wipe your mouth, please. Wipe your mouth.
That's the outside skin. See?
So we peel them, like a
Okay.
banana.
Oh,
Thank you.
Kinda, but I have a way that's a lot more fun. We winnow the wheat.
Well, winnow sounds funny.
Oh, I love to winnow. You toss the wheat up on a breezy day so the wind can blow the chaff away. Hey, my hat! Come back!
Here we go. Put some wheat in your basket, like this.
Another cookie dough.
Now give it the old alley-oop.
The wind's blowing the wheat skin, I mean, chaff away.
Okie dokie. Let's check the wheat.
Wow, I don't see any more chaff on the wheat. Me either.
So now that we picked the wheat,
And thresh the wheat, and winnow the wheat.
Must be time to...
Grind the wheat.
All done?
Again?
There's a napkin.
Do
Do you want a bite of a banana?
What is that?
my milk. I
Grind it.
use it
I'll
to
peel it for
grind
you.
the wheat into flour.
Oh, can we try?
You sure can.